This is Samyang hot chicken flavored ramen, Jjajang flavor. Totally 560 calories. And now to drain the water, just leave a little bit for the stir fry. Now is the time to put the sauce. I'm going to be really careful about this sauce, but since this jjajang is not supposed to be very hot, but I'm going to put about 1/3 to give it a try. If it's not that spicy, I'm probably gonna add more, but for now, I think 1/3 is good. Yeah, the color looks good and smells very good. Since it smells so good, I have to put more sauce in it. I literally just can't wait to try this one. And now we still got the flakes. We're gonna put this one in. Probably I should put the flakes earlier. I think I might made a mistake. I'm going to put them back in to stir fry a little bit more. Right now it looks really good and smells good too. Alright, let me try it another time. This time is even better. Let me try the veggies. The veggies are cooked. Okay. Alright, can't wait to enjoy my jjajang. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.